What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to do something on the Ducati again. Yes, the Ducati isn't mine anymore, but like I said, I sold it to my stepdad, so the project continues. It's just not mine, and it's going to get much better than I could ever get it. So all the things he's done since he's got the bike, he's changed the grips, he's got new oil, he changed the stator, the voltage regulator, he put new belts on, he did the valve clearances, he did the electrical, he put a single seat, the cowl thing at the back so it looks a bit nicer, and then he's got the new pressure plate, the colored one, that one there, that we are going to install today. So today we are going to install the colored pressure plate. It looks really nice, especially with the open clutch, because you can see it turn and everything. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to install the fairing back on, so it looks nice and nice again. Very nice. What do you think of the fit though? Don't I look sexy? This is an outfit, eh? Expensive clothing. Okay, so now when you get to this part, you have to get this little thing out that sits inside here. I recommend just getting a tiny little ratchet end. It fits perfectly in the hole, so when you tap it lightly with a hammer, it will come out really easily. That's the only difficult part about this job, is just getting this little thing out. So once you get that out, it's easy. Yeah. Okay, so we didn't buy new springs. If you look at the springs up close, you'll see they are a bit yucky and rusty. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean them off, and then I'm going to spray them black. It shouldn't have any effect, and it will look a lot better than this rusty shit. So just give me a few minutes. I'm going to spray them, put it on, and then we'll see how it looks. I like to use a heat gun because it's a bloody cold day. It's dark and gloomy, so these things were taking forever. But look, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Not rusty and stuff. So now we can just put in all of them in their places, and then it will look really nice. So we'll start with that now. I just want to quickly drink something, and then we're going to start with that. What do you guys think? Look at that. Let's zoom out a bit. That looks very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. We should start it and look at it spin. And then I'll put it off again, and then, yeah, I'll be back. That looks nice. Now we just have to put the cover back on, and then we've got the first job complete. So I am wearing different clothes, I showered and everything, but the bike is finished. Put the fairing back on, the thing is on, everything's working, she's happy. I just have to put the mirrors on, but that takes literally like 2 seconds. If you look at her, she's looking really nice, with the thing at the back, everything running perfectly. I'm happy. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. There is going to come more content on this bike and on this one as well, so leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Check you in the next one.